Hi everyone, it's Linnea here with another reveal video for Whimsy stamps. This is the Fairy Sweet stamp, and this is a rubber stamp. The little girl is going to stamp about 3 3/4 inches by 2.5 inches wide. I'm going to show you really quickly how to stamp this since it's a rubber stamp. All you have to do is you can stamp this without a platform, but I like to use a platform. So when you're stamping with rubber, you want to take out that insert, and then you're going to remove that backer from your rubber stamp, and that will allow you to mount this rubber stamp onto a stamping platform or onto an acrylic block. Ink it up with your favorite ink and stamp that. I like to double stamp, but because this is red rubber, you get a really good impression on your first time. The Fairy Sweet stamp is this adorable little image. This little girl with butterfly wings all bundled up with a cute little seal. So here's a card I made as inspiration. I just colored her up, and I paired her with the rainbow 6x6 paper pad. Thanks for joining me for this product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps November 1st release. Bye!